Mourn, Mam Cymru. Mourn, Mother of Wales, we call to thee. Be here now, let our tongues be free. We sing your praises, O spirits of this land. We gather here in this circle to stand. If you'll take a moment to arrive and settle in this place, allow your eyes to gently close shut and take one breath with the land beneath your feet. With a tilt of your head skywards, take one single breath with the sky above your head. And like the flash of a camera, extend the fringe of your spirits to the edge of this island and take one breath with the seas that surround this sacred shore. We are the Druids of Anglesey, 2,000 years hence from our ancestors who claimed the same name. And we come by means of ancestry and heritage and cadw to this place. Our ancestors saw fit to build this monument in honour of the rising of the sun on this day. 5,000 years since have passed, and we return each year to honour the rising of the sun and also to honour our ancestors. The memories of these stones contain an echo of the memories of this land. And to most of you, to all of you perhaps, that is also a part of your song, your history, your blood, and your breath. We honour this place as sacred, and we honour this place as blessed. And we come and we honour the powers of the land and the sea and the sky. O ysbrydion y tirlun hwn, o ysbrydion y tir, y môr a'r awyr, clywch fy nghri. O hynafiaid ag esgyrn ein hynafiaid o dan y ddeiar hon, clywch ein cri. Codwch a byddwch efo ni.